What is up guys, another side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Zoho email with Shopify. So first you need to head over to our Zoho Mail's website and then in the new tab you need to open your Shopify's website, and after opening on the left side you need to click on notifications, and after clicking on notifications here you need to enter your mail. So in this mail section you need to enter your Zoho Mail email ID. So just click on your profile and then enter or copy your Zoho Mail, and after copying your Zoho Mail, you need to head back to the Shopify and then just simply paste it. And after pasting, you need to click on the save to save it. And when you are done, you just simply need to make sure that you have entered a very valid email address. And after that, you just simply need to click on this verify email button in the mail to verify your email. As you can see, I have entered my mail account in my Zoho Mail, that's why it's opening in my mail. But if you have your own Zoho Mail account, it will open in your Zoho Mail account. So this is how you can validate your Zoho Mail with your Shopify, and then you can connect both of these. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.